I think it's the third video of my series on how to run GitLab at home. So you have to have something that's going to run some of the jobs in the CI/CD pipe, and they call that a runner. So what I've done is I've set up a machine here called runner, of course, at home on my VMware ESXi farm, and I want to on a runner install the runner software, which is written in Golang or in Go. So it looks like for Debian or Ubuntu, we want to use one of these, and because I'm running an x64, I want to use an AMD x64 Debian type system. So here I'm going to copy the link address, and I'm going to download that onto this system here, which I call runner, to run the runner, of course, right? So we can do a wget. If I have it in here, there it is. And we'll download this runner. It's a pretty big file. It's a binary, right? It's an install package with a binary. It's larger than I thought it would be. And now I'm going to SU and get this runner installed. Boy, it's one of those nights. There we are. Now let's do a dpkg -i on this runner, and let's install this thing. So now dpackage is installing this runner on our small server here called runner that has 4 cores and a couple gigs of memory to run our GitHub jobs. Our GitLab, I'm sorry, our GitLab jobs. That takes a while. So once that installs, let's see what else we can do with it. Okay, there it goes. Okay, the service is not installed. Not installed, not installed. Skipping clear Docker cache. So it's saying it doesn't have a service. GitLab runner. Let's do a grep on GitLab. Okay, so there's the runner and it's running. So looks like that's all you have to do to get the runner going. Let's try and stop it. Yep, stops pretty easily. Starts easy. Unknown operation. And that, my friends, is how to install a runner for GitLab on Ubuntu. It's really easy, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.